Hi and welcome to Liquid Earth. Today we're going to edit a raw photo with a nighttime blue effect. Here are a few before and after images. So we're going to start off opening our edit panel, and here we're going to add a little bit of contrast to +17. Take your highlights down to -41, shadows up to +50, whites up a tad, +22, take your blacks down to -20. Next go to colour, and this is where you want to move your temperature over to the left. So I'm going to stop at 2294, but move that slider to get the image how blue you want it. And it may well depend on the colour cast of the image, particularly if it's taken at night with phosphorus lights. Let's take the vibrance up to +25 and saturation down to -8. And in effects, we're going to add some clarity. Let's go up to +32, a little bit of dehaze, +10. And then in detail, we'll take our sharpening up to +60. Now you can hold the / key to see the before and after. There's a free preset DNG in the information below, or if you followed along, we can save this as a preset. To do that, go down to the bottom to presets, click the settings and create preset. We can create that in a new group that creates a new folder. Let's call this night. So our folder name, press create, give your preset a name. These are the parameters that you need to have ticked if they're not already, and then click save. Once you've created your preset, you can save that to any other image with just one click. Let's open another image, and we're just going to click on nighttime blue, and we can look at the before and the after. As with all presets, you can change anything after you've applied, so let's make this a little bit more blue, and let's reduce our exposure on this one. And to see the before, press the / key and release it to see the after. I hope you found that useful. If you did, give me a thumbs up, really helps, and I really do appreciate it. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. These presets are posted every week. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.